Everyone, first of all, tell me, how are you all doing?
We all are doing great.
My name is Sumit Gaur, and today I'm going to discuss about ghost, paranormal activities, and some body science. So, guys, I want to tell you a story. Uh, there is a landlord in Hodder. I think you may heard about this story. There is a mansion which was built in 1980s, and that landlord was very reputed person, very prestige person in the society. Everyone respect him. So they are four members in their family. Like they pay the husband, wife, and their son and their wife. Uh, Somehow they are like their son got to get married like very, it is very new marriage, like first marriage for his son, but they don't like their in-laws. I don't know why. Sorry, because uh, the in-laws, like their in-laws don't give him. It was a case of dowry case. Ultimately, when after investigation, it was a dowry case. When police gave in their uh, research. So one fine day, although they don't like their bahu, so they want to get married, another marriage for his son, because they are landlord, they have some respect in society. It was, I think, love marriage. Yeah, it was love marriage. So they don't accept bahu internally. Like outside, they fake smile, fake acceptance and all. So one fine day, they made a plan to go outside, uh, in which all are ready. At the suddenly, they said to their son that I think we are assuming someone at our home, which gives some money to us. So it is very important that someone should be at home. So after conclusion, they said to their bahu that you should stay at your home, and we had a call with your parents, like they will come in this, like in night. Don't worry, we are going. I think they were going to Jammu and Kashmir of Vaishno Devi. Uh, so they made a conspiracy in which son was also ready, because right now we all know like dowry is very important. We all are very happy when we get some cash, some car, something very, some gadgets. We all are ready. So I think that's why I said love is not necessary in every case. So son was also ready. So they hired a professional killer. So they hired a professional killer. So they said to professional killer that you come in our home, and we have put some amount in that area. They give the map of the house. Guys, I'm telling you, in 1980s, right now this building, last year that building was demolished. Uh, it was a very beautiful home, and you cannot imagine in 1980s, like we cannot see the bathrooms, the sanitary products, in hardware products, like all are assembled in their bathroom. Although he was very rich, so they hired a professional killers, and they said to him and make him understand that we are going. You just come at our home. Our wife knows that you are coming, but she don't know that you what are your intentions. So they went to wherever they were heading up to. So the professional killer killed the bahu and take the 50% payment from that particular area that they had mentioned. So in after 2 or 3 days, they had to come to home. So when they come to home, uh, they saw the bahu, and like bahu was happy, but they were happy, but also they get surprised. In night, the father called to, in one room they were sitting, only the husband and wife, and they talked to the killer. Like, what have you done? We give you money and you take money that you kill the bahu, and why don't you kill him? Why don't you kill her? Then the professional killer said, sir, please don't make me fool. I killed your wife. Then husband, like that landlord said, like, what are you telling? You think I'm a maid? She is working in kitchen and making tea for us. Then killer was surprised also, and he talked to them. So he said that I will come tomorrow and I will tell you where I uh, buried her. So like it was situation, maybe because we never understand, maybe he was he was, because he is a criminal mind, he don't want to kill her or just take money, because maybe that amount is enough for him. So another day he come to the home, and he was also surprised when he saw the bahu. uh, like they sent their son and bahu to the market, and they started arguing. So that killer was saying that I buried your bahu under 5 foot under the ground. So they said like show us where you buried that our bahu. Then they opened the hole, opened the dig, and they found the dead body. Right now it is 2024. Like I think they all are died with criminal also, that killer also. We named this, that incident was Hodal Ki Haveli. We all have heard about that. It is a real story. So it is like whoever take that Haveli, because after this it was suicide case, but it is also maybe a rumors, maybe it is a rumor, but some neighbors who used to live their surrounding area, it is on the road, very beautiful property and very expensive property right now. So this is a story. So everyone think that the bahu was died, but he know the intention, because at the time of death she asked to the criminal that why are you why you want to why you want to make me dead. Then he, like, everyone fulfill the last wish, so called wish. So he tell her that yes, your in-laws give me the permission to kill you. Then he killed her with hammer. So after that the dead bodies are found in bathroom, or there is also many influencer YouTubers specially visit in that Haveli in night. The areas people said that right now it is a place for criminals, like they hide in this, because people and police don't have guts to come inside the mansion. So but many influencers like visit the mansion in night specially. So they also give vlog on another day, shoot vlog. They said like the particular room where the dead body is found and the bathroom, like when I went to that room, it was like I was started suffocating. It was a month of February or January. It was very cold, but I still started like sweating. My body starts sweating. So it is a story. I think after that they sell the story. They mentioned to there is a girl who belongs to Delhi. Their her marriage is broke. She separate from his husband. Right now the condition is that the Haveli is devastated. Haveli is devastated, and it is right now it is a flat property, flat plain area. So it is a story, guys. You know, we feel, although science also proved that at, like, not fully, like at some point science also agree that yes, we have negative and positive energy. There are also some people which have like feelings, like they can they can feel the negative and positive vibes. You can get that like power, that supernatural power, by chanting mantras. Mantras has like huge supernatural power, depending how many times and by what clarity, what cleanness you chant the mantras. Guys, there are 5 types of like 5, like you can I want to tell you like how can you preserve yourself from ghost, like not completely, although there are many reasons, but I will try to give you 5 reasons. First is never go outside. I think you also know, never go outside after eating sweets, because for some time your tongue spread a sweety smell which attract the negative vibes, negative energies, so they can easily come on your body. Second is, this is for girls. Mostly girls open their hair while going to any, like going anywhere, especially in marriage or anywhere. So don't open your hairs. When you go to Salasar and Mehendipur Balaji, there is a temple god which we call the Pretraj. Pretraj, like in the temple, the saint clearly mentions, if there is a lady who don't have any negative energy, please bind your hairs, because you see when the Pretraj forced to come to near him, that their hairs are open. Maybe if some don't open their hair, ultimately they open their hairs, because it is a fact. I don't know. Third thing is, never be in front of a tree, like banyan tree and people tree, because on people tree we have negative as well positive. People tree is also we worship for puja. We have gods in which sits on people tree. So never be down on people tree, because it attracts. Fourth thing is that whenever you go to any viran in vacant place or any mention, just like I mentioned you in that older mention, like never speak someone's name. Like I went with sir. So if we don't know, there is a negative energy whose name is also Lalit, or we just like started naming some other's name, so they can come with us. It is a fact. Uh, there is also a five thing I forgot. Also, guys, we also have black energies. Black magic is also we found. It is real. Have you guys believed, like why our parents tell us never go outside on the day of Holi, on the day of Diwali, on the day of when full moon is in the sky? Do you ever know?
Because people did black magic.
Yes. Why people give black magic on, especially on that day? Do you have idea?
Because negative energy is more prominent.
Yes. Because when we have full moon, negative energies are powerful. Like they have infinity power.
Like in ocean, moon attract the waves.
Yes.
Like the same day.
Especially there is a time like after 12 to 3. Please, it is for couples. I don't want to share this. It's not related to us. But these 3 hours are also many like precious hours for the ghost, because at that time negative energies are very powerful. So yes, guys, we have supernatural activities. Guys, I want to tell you another thing. Like many homes has black magic. How can we find that? Like I didn't search about that, but I know about that. Like when you enter in that room, in their home, like you smell something bad. It's not, that smell is not related to anything. Like although how many times you put air purifier and the sacred sticks, how it doesn't matter. Something comes from any area which smells bad, and people who have the energies, who have some power, they easily accept. That's why these pundits, these saints, why we call them that? How can you know? Because they have power. They chant mantras. If you also do this, you will get the power. And the 5, I forgot the 5 reasons. 5th reason, guys, I want to tell you, please do worship to God, because there are some bodies which don't, people who act like atheists, who don't believe in God or anything. So please do this, because if you don't do this, there are some, they easily enter in your body, because you don't have any strong connection with God. They don't come on. Why don't they come on the priest body, saint's body, in Aghori's body? Because they worship to God for more than 8 hours or 10 hours. So they fear with them. So ultimately I want to tell you, please
Take care of yourself.
take care of yourself. Thank you.